Welcome to Invista. This demonstration will show some of the features and functionality of Invista. This presentation is based on live data from the city of Al Ain in the United Arab Emirates. The Invista interface has three main components: the map, the table, and the filter sections. The map section in the main panel shows geographic and project spatial information. As you can see, the map is built using street, major building, and park shapes as a base layer. You can see the projects created in Invista make up a layer overlaid on these features. The table section, located below the map, shows project details. The filter controls on the left control what you see in the map and the table. The filters define what's visible. The owner field defines which organization is responsible for a given project. As you can see, this project is owned by the Al Ain Distribution Company and is an electric project. In the filter section, when I deselect the Al Ain Distribution Company, you'll see that all the electric projects disappear from the view. I can do the same thing with this brown land project, here owned by the Al Ain Urban Planning Council. When I go to the filter section and deselect this owner, all land projects disappear. Together, the owner attribute and filter can be used to display the full extent of the projects happening within any given area. Additional filters, such as starting and ending dates, allow you to see past projects, ongoing projects, or planned projects. Filters allow you to view exactly what, when, and where projects are happening. I will now focus on a different section of the city to illustrate some additional features of Invista. Again, all of the projects that are visible here are live projects being used by the city of Al Ain. Notice that the filter and table sections can be hidden or resized to display a larger map area. As I pan through the map, notice the yellow and gray dotted lines that delineate administrative boundaries. These are an example of layers, fully customizable geographic representations of features that Invista can overlay on any map's base layer. Facility type is another way that Invista can group specific types of projects together. This attribute indicates the general category of work that will be done, and is represented in the map section by different colored project features and icons. The roadway projects, as you see here, are in gray. The sanitary sewer projects are in green. Similar to the owner filter, toggling different facility types either displays or hides those specific types of projects. Different combinations of facility types can be selected, allowing you to specify exactly what types of projects you would like to see in the map panel. You can view project details in a variety of ways. First, you can click on the icon here and you will see a brief summary of the project's details. Those same details are visible in the table section. In the table section, you can customize which columns you would like to see, as well as resize the columns, as I have done here. You can view more complete project details by clicking View on the project. In the View display, there is a map indicating where the project is located, which you can pan around, zoom in, zoom out. Additionally, contact information is visible. The project manager's name, email address, and phone number are visible. Invista has a number of other attributes that are displayed in the View project window, such as start date, end date, facility indicator, group code, project description, and paving type, among others. If you want to display and enter data for an attribute not already in Invista's interface, you can add customizable attributes to meet your specifications. One of Invista's most useful features is its conflict engine. When two or more projects are going to be in the same location at the same time, Invista automatically detects a conflict. This is represented by the yellow triangular icon seen next to the project icon. Conflicts are visible in multiple ways. By viewing the project's additional details, you can click on the conflict itself and view that. The conflict page contains a map indicating the 2 or more projects that are generating the conflict, showing in particular the specific conflict areas, which in this case are here and here. Additionally, you can send notifications. One instance of where this is useful is with a conflict. If you would like to inform the project managers that a conflict has been generated between their projects, all you do is simply click the Send Notification button. This allows you to send a map of the location as well as all conflict information to project managers. Additionally, you can specify other contacts, even contacts external to the Invista system, so that all parties are aware of the conflict and can see what exactly is causing it. Notifications can also be generated automatically, so that when a conflict is generated, both project managers are automatically notified. These automatic notifications can be customized. The notification functionality allows project managers, engineers, and other Invista users to plan well in advance and avoid costly scheduling mistakes. Additionally, in Invista it is possible to resolve a conflict. Once conflicts have been detected and communicated via the Notify feature, it is possible for project managers to work through the conflict and decide which project to move, reschedule, or even determine if no action is needed to avoid the conflict. Project managers can log in to coordinate this conflict, allowing it to be resolved. Here, I will set the status of the conflict to coordinated, indicating that it has been resolved. When I click Save, the conflict status is changed accordingly. In Invista, whenever you create a project, you'll have an option to create an opportunity. Opportunities are a way of communicating to other departments about ways to reduce costs. For example, if you are planning to construct an underground pipe system and would need to excavate and repave a stretch of road, it might be possible to collaborate with a scheduled road reconstruction project. If you plan to finish your project immediately before road repaving crews begin work, this could eliminate the need for you to repave the excavated road, since it was scheduled to be rebuilt anyway. The concept of opportunities allows departments to work together to save time, money, and effort whenever possible. Additionally, in Invista, you can prepare reports. Here you can prepare a PDF or HTML format document that contains all the relevant details and maps of projects, opportunities, conflicts, and all other objects created in Invista. Reports give you an additional way to view and print hard copies of project information. This is one possibility of what one such report could look like. With built-in features such as conflict generation, automatic notification, and a customizable user interface, Invista is a powerful and valuable service. This demonstration is focused on utility coordination, but Invista also has capability to manage permits, events, public works, and incidents. Furthermore, Invista can offer Citizens View, an interactive online map showing the general public where projects are and will be taking place. Invista has fully integrated implementations in large North American metro areas such as Austin and Baltimore, where a combined 4.5 million citizens rely on Invista to enable proactive management of projects.